Hi, this is David, Weise Landscaping, but more importantly, I'm the father for Michael and Maria at school, and provided a auction item at the spring auction. And today we realized the prize for the client. So this was a overgrown yard full of weeds in the morning. We excavated all that and laid out some stones, this path, brought in a bunch of planting mix, and just reimagined the whole space. And quickly, if you're trying to do something like this at home, we have some verbena, we have some solidago, ceanothus. Over there's a clevelandii, a salvia. Here, this is going to be a featured plant. You know, these are all 1 gallon, so they're small, but this is a manzanita. This is going to be your featured plant. We have another salvia. Here we have some penstemon out on this row. Then we have some monkey flowers. We have the white, we have the red, we have the yellow. Here we're growing a patch of low-growing manzanita, emerald carpet. Same thing over here. So I've already seen a bunch of butterflies. They've already come. Now, to be fair, the homeowner is a California native enthusiast, and we just want to congratulate them and thank you for supporting Wildcat Canyon, East Bay, Waldorf School. This is how we do it, Weise Landscaping.